What happened to your laptop, you said, sir?
I dropped it a few times and it's hard to close and the screen turned black and it's not turning on. Can you fix it for me?
Don't worry, I got you.
Here you go, Ice.
And Wi-Fi antenna. Everything is falling apart. Warranty paper. Ding. Get out of here. Anything under this? Got heating screw. Mainboard is out. Buttons. Last part, USB. Let's take the keyboard out. Damn, look at this. Come on, Lenovo. You can do better. This is going to be junk. Let's see what we got here. Screws. Should be another one here too then. Look at that. We're gonna separate this. Alright. Who plays guitar? So I'm using my guitar pick. Bass helper. Nice. Here we go. We got the back cover out. And screen. This is screen connector wire. It needs to be replaced. See, it connects to the LCD. And there's wires too. You have to take this one too. There we go. Now everything is ready to assemble. I installed everything here. We're gonna put the board and it's good to go. small details, but I have to put it. Stay there. Now it's still under warranty. Your laptop is ready, sir.
Oh my God.
Look at this. Let me close it for you.
This looks brand new. Like I just got it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate this. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Let's go. Yo. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast.